Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm at Great Wolf Lodge, so it's time to do the Magi quest again. So, I did try to do a water park video, and I think it worked. So, last time we did the Dazzle rune, so this time we're going to do the enchant creature rune. I'm going to try to do as much in this one. I'm not using the book because it's pretty useless in my opinion, so let me just click this one. And then, and you can see I've done every single one, but I'm just going to redo this one. So we did that one, now we're going to do this one. We'll skip the instructions because it's pretty useless. Well, anyway, we are going to, oops, sorry about that. Alright, so now we gotta find some chests, so I'm just gonna do it again so I remember which ones I have to do. Skip that, but don't know why that's there, so I'm going to click enchant creature rune. So we need to find the first chest, then the second chest, and third chest, and then the painting, and then we have to go to the pixie which is above us. Except, yes, I do want to do that, so I'll click yes. So now we got to go find some chests. Now, I'm not using the instructions because the instructions are useless. So I'm just going to look at every chest. So let's do this one and see if this is it. Well, anyway, I'll do the first one and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so this is the only chest here, so it's got to be this one.
Enchant creature rune.
Oh, I did do it. So I need to find. So I got one. Now we need to go upstairs. Where's he? Okay, thank you. All right, so we got to go upstairs. I found the first one. Now we're gonna go to the second one, which I think is up here, and you don't have to find them in order, which is pretty good. Level 4, this is the level I'm on, and just gotta open this door. There we go. All right, there's chests up here. But is it this one that we have to go to?
You must be on the Ursa Major adventure to unlock mine.
Nope, I don't think that was it. So, let's see if it's this one. And, oof. We found another one.
You found a piece of the enchant creature rune.
We did that one. Now there's another chest over there, so let's go see if that one counts. Oh wait, that one is not the right one. So, I think we have to go to Tangled Woods.
I didn't know that.
Tangled Woods. Oh, there's the silver dragon right there. The water park over there. So that's the place we're gonna have to go to when we get all the rewards. So anyway, let's go to the Tangled Woods, which is right here. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. Is it this one? That wasn't it, but I got 50 gold, so it's got to be this one. Nope, that was not it. I think this one's the painting.
Stay to the right, Aiden.
I think it's the painting. The painting is up here.
You've already completed.
Oh, I already got that one accidentally. So it looks like we have to. Let's go look at that thing to see how we did.
Looking for
Level 4. Thank you. There's part of it. We've got almost all of them. You can see I have the red fire dragon and the regular blue one. It doesn't really match. I really wish I didn't click this one, but I don't think look really matters. Level 3. Oh, there's a few chests on this floor, so let's see if it's this one. I can't remember. Nope, the wrong one. Alright, it's got to be that one.
Back up a little. So do a little.
I'm just waiting a couple seconds.
100 gold.
That's not the one. Okay.
Oh, that is not the one that I need, because I just saw someone else do it and it was the wrong one. That's not it either, so I think it's over here. I think it's that one right there. Let's find out. Oh, we found it. I know that. Well, anyway, where's the last area that we have to go to? Let's go look at one of the things and see all the process. Let's just go to this thing and see all the process we have so far. Intro, don't really need that. So, it looks like we have every single one. Now we have to go to the pixie. I got first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So we have to go upstairs. Now we have to go to the pixie. Which we'll do that right now. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. It is right over there. So, wow, we're really high.
Which one are you doing?
Magic isn't strong enough now. Please come back later and try again.
Oh, what?
Good job, Magi. I see you have found every one of the runes.
I did it. All right, everyone.
Creature rune.
Here it is. I did it, viewers.
This powerful enchantment will be a great help to you throughout the kingdom. Use it wisely and good luck.